That's the view you want when you're up here. Look at that! Hello and welcome back to another vlog with us in Switzerland, and we are on the slopes, and this is my first time skiing in another country.
I'm terrified. I'm scared of heights.
Quite steep, I'm not going to lie.
Yeah.
I didn't particularly enjoy getting on a chairlift for the first...
There was a lot of stress.
for the first time. It's a bit weird having your legs dangling over. And they're quite heavy, to be fair, which is not quite what I expected. I've got the old GoPro on the chest. Too late now, darling. Too late now. We're going up.
Take it slow. You just glide off. Take it slow. Glide
Yeah, I keep forgetting we got to get off. I'm trying to get myself ready. I'm nervous.
I really don't know what you do with your legs on this thing.
I think you just leave them, don't you? Just let them hang. Let them hang out, y'all.
I wouldn't like to go on this and wear it in the gym.
No.
That's a little bit.
Right, up we go.
No, that's way too
Oh, sorry. I didn't. No, it is.
No.
Yeah. Oh, I've done it again. Sorry. This is just unbelievable. Like, this is different sauce, this, isn't it? Absolute different sauce, I'll tell you that for free. Wee wow, wee wow. Alright, let's just go for it. I think it's forward. That's definitely a red. No, that's the option. That was the. Do you remember when we said? I think that.
I said, oh, we could do this.
Yeah, that's the option. That one. That's the optional one.
That isn't an option, is it really?
No, that's not an option. Not for us right now. No. Yeah, it did. Well, to be fair, it looked like it, didn't it? On the. Oh shit. Oh. Whoa! Yeah, we are, to be fair, blocking the way, but how do you turn like that then? What, to try and learn, yeah, definitely. It's just unbelievable.
He got a bit too close to comfort.
He was alright. So quiet up here, so nice, but... Right, come on, let's get going. Pizza! Pizza! Do you know what? I know we're doing a lot of snow plowing, but I think we have to give ourselves credit for actually we're better than we think we are.
I think so.
Because these are a lot steeper and narrower than we've ever done.
They're narrow, yeah.
Yeah.
This is ideal for me, isn't it?
Perfect.
The only thing I'd say is
I'd like some wider ones.
you almost just have to keep going in certain bits, because if you try and slow yourself
Yeah.
down, you can't.
I'd like some more wide bits.
Come on, there's freshly green snow, no one here.
Yeah, I'd just like a little bit wider. Woohoo! Huh? The worst thing for you is, I think I've got that on camera.
Oh no!
But I think you want to put your hands the other side of you.
Behind me?
Like, no, over there.
Get enough pressure to push down.
You do.
Oh, I just clipped my knee. Did you hear it?
No. Walk yourself forward and then you can grab hold of me if need be. You need...
It looks really easy when you're doing it.
I know it is. I do know. I've fallen over more times than you have ever. Definitely. I'm quite glad it wasn't me first this time.
I know.
You're welcome, Mum.
Are you still recording?
Yes, Mum. So good. Hello. I've lost all my speed now. Wow. Say again? Yeah. You just got to keep moving. It's a bit bendy, this one. Oh, I don't know which bit do you go down? That bit?
Yeah, it's down there.
They were walking, aren't they? They were walking. Yeah, well now I'm in the wrong place, so you go around me. I'll sort myself out. Oh. How you enjoy? I'm not enjoying this bit. Oh, is he down? I'll go past. Hey, we're almost there. We're just down there.
Huh?
It's just down there. And we're there.
I left it turn too late and smashed into the side.
That's what I'd be doing basically.
Well, my speed crossed and I couldn't fix it.
I'll tell you what, I could do with taking off my jumper though. Yeah. Come on, Diane. Pick up the phone. Pick up the phone, Diane. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, you? Is it good? Yeah, it's amazing.
Lovely.
We've seen one person on the whole run on a toboggan the whole time. Really? We've got the whole thing to ourselves.
Where's that honey? Show us that dog.
Oh, she's sleeping.
I can't see her. Going back up to the top, so we've just got home for lunch. We are, what, 1 minute drive away from the house, so we went back, had lunch, again, ready to hit the slopes again. We didn't know that there's a black bar there.
It makes it very much more enjoyable.
It means that we can actually sit and not have to worry too much. On my back, backpack. First time skiing with a backpack. Could go wrong, could go great, who knows. Got a drone in the bag. We're going to take the drone up. We're going to let the seasoned veteran, this is Stephen Nicholson, or Blade Man, something or other on his YouTube, and Blade Man on his YouTube, take the drone up. places where you would find an opportunity to use a drone the top of a mountain through it. I think the footage, fingers crossed, is going to be pretty sick, but we'll soon see. It's just been unbelievable. First ever day skiing in a different country, and I can only say it's one of the best things I've ever done. It's unbelievable. And the price here, Champex-Lac, if you haven't ever heard of it, thought about it, it's different gravy. Look it up, see what comes back. But it's so cheap, it's literally, it's just so good. It ticks all the boxes. Stop recording now because we're going downhill, and although it's been a bit of fun doing it whilst skiing, I'm definitely not good enough to do so. So I'll see you in a bit. You can't see I'm smiling like you did.
I was waiting for that to happen.
So the final part of our vlog of my first time skiing abroad, not Abby's but mine, and off we go. Say goodbye. You dropped something there, love. You can't park there. You can't park there. Shut up, she said. Tell my man shut up.